Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change grams in MyFitnessPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change grams in PAL. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to MyFitnessPal, then click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Next, go ahead and click on Settings on the bottom hand side, then click on Profile. Then towards the bottom, you're going to be able to see Units. So click on Units. So this is where you can change between kilograms and pounds, centimeters and inches, miles or kilometers, calories or kilojoules. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change grams in MyFitnessPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.